A new United Nations Capital Development Fund report indicates that digital access has not always translated into meaningful financial inclusion, particularly among undeserved communities.
The foundations created through LNOB and other initiatives have helped make markets more visible, more connected, and more capable of serving people who have traditionally been left behind. Building on these foundations, UNCDF is now focusing on unlocking capital for Uganda's micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises.
The report says many users mainly rely on mobile money to send and receive payments, while access to savings, credit, and other financial services remain limited.
We really need to think more innovatively about how do we create sustainable financial solutions for these innovative solutions. How do we fund them? How do we bring in private sector? How do we bring in impact investors? How do we bring in investors to really support these innovative ideas?
So our theory of what we wanted to arrive at was use digital as an enabler for eventually people and enterprises being able to access finance that allows them to become resilient and grow.
The gap is particularly significant among SMEs, women, youth, refugees, and smallholder farmers whose limited collateral and transaction records make access to conventional finance difficult.
If you look at the cost of internet services, or even the availability before you even go into that, that one is not controlled by us. And I think this is where the governments need to partner with the telecommunication companies or the mobile network operators to make sure that they identify locations which are disadvantaged and push subsidies to those locations.
The report also indicates improving digital literacy, digitizing transactions, and generating reliable data can help connect underserved communities to formal financial systems.
What we want is that particular, what we want is to see an ecosystem that works and integrates with each other than duplicating the same things, because it also burdens on our end, most especially when such a good program ends and the products are so many for us to consume and take on.
The report recommends stronger digital engagement to generate financial records that can make underserved individuals and businesses more visible to formal lenders. Komagum Rogers and Abdul Nasir Lugwama for UBC.